Hello everyone, day 2 of Pandal hopping. So here we start our evening with Tala Prottoy, North Calcutta guys. You can see the big screen over there. See Goddess Durga. So the theme in Tala Prottoy is unrestricted. It's about the unrestricted life we really want to have, because nowadays you're having a restricted life, right? With mask on, being at home isolation. That's why they have kept the theme as unrestricted. We need a life where there will be no restrictions for us. Bagh Bazaar, Sarvajanin. This is the pandal, and you can see their floor decoration is like this. There are so many stalls, but still now none of them are open. So let's go inside. This is the Bagh Bazaar idol. You can see that is also called Akchala Durga Thakur. So this is a food stall. I'll show you what are there. So chicken lollipop, bhetki fish fry, bhetki butter fry, prawn pakoda, bhetki finger, chicken pakoda, chicken kebab, bhetki pakoda, bhetki butter fry, bhetki kebab এক piece. আমি কিচ্ছু খাবো না. ভেটকি ফ্রাই, এটা কি চিকেন ড্রামস্টিক, ভেটকি ফিঙ্গার, চিকেন কাটলেট, fish kobiraji, prawn pakoda. Our team members, all foodies, are standing right here to grab some food. And the people are busy eating, you see. What is this fish kobiraji? Fish kobiraji is being eaten. একটু খানিও না
আমি বলেছিলাম
দারুন কিরে চুটকু. We are entering Kumortoli Sarvajanin Puja, and this Kumortoli area is famous for making all idols. See how Durga Ma is being taken, how Durga Ma is being dragged. You can see this is how they carry idol. This is Kumortoli area. You can see how many idols are there inside, and see the workers how they are lifting it up. হ্যাঁ যাবে. This is also another idol, another pandal. So we are entering Kumortoli Park, and it's on a big ground. See, there's also a fair going on there. Wow, this is amazing, isn't it, guys? Lovely. It's too hot now. We thought of having lassi from here, so this bhaiya is making lassi for us. She's not a lassi fan, so she's having puchka, and we are having lassi. Finish. Time to have some dahi puchka. You see this dahi puchka? It goes right inside my mouth.
1K पहले हो जाए ना तो तुम्हारा अकाउंट वेरीफाई हो जाएगा ना, इसीलिए.
Right now we are in front of Ahiri Tala, but the thing is that they have closed it, like they are not opening it for us, and it's very difficult to take a photo from this distance. I'll show you how it looks. This is the one. It's a house. It's a normal Bengali household. You can see the clothes over there. They are kept for drying. So it's like this. This is another pandal. This is Halshi Bagan. Just see the innovation of the pandal. They have used those hand fans. The theme here is once Ramakrishna Paramhans ji, he worshipped Sharoda Ma, his wife, as a goddess. So this is called Falharini. That concept has been taken as a theme over here. This is Telenga Bagan Puja Pandal, and they have made this oxygen plant as their theme. In this time, what can be more useful than oxygen? We all know what happened during this COVID situation. Everybody was in dire need of oxygen, so that's why they chose this as a theme. So inside you see this. Wow. So that's the storage tank. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. This is our pan break. This is Gauri Beria Sarbojoni Durga Shop. Now we are at Jagat Mukherjee Park Pandal. The theme here is unity, and that's why you can see those sculptures. They're holding each other's hand. See this. Didi is saying that because in this corona, in this pandemic, we're losing so many people, right? So let's stay together, fight corona together. So that's the theme of this pandal. So right now we are in front of Tala Barwari, and this is the puja pandal. What is it? Oh wow! See the uniqueness of the pandal. They've used so much bamboo sticks to make it. Just see the artwork, guys. Mind-blowing, isn't it? So right now we are in a restaurant. What's the name of this restaurant? Dadao Pothik Bor is the name of the restaurant, which I don't know how many years and how many days I'll take to remember that name. Anyways, so it's too late. They already closed it, but we have a beauty queen with us. So this beauty queen's friend's restaurant, or she knows somebody from here, so she requested and they allowed us, and they told us to order fast. So we ordered faster, and now they are bringing our food. So now you'll see what we are eating. All right, so the food has arrived. This is chili chicken dry. This is hakka noodles, chicken hakka noodles, mixed fried rice. And then what is that, Pooja?
Chicken duck bang.
And that is chicken duck mango. And now he is serving us. And then we will be engrossed eating. That looks tempting, isn't it?
Very.
Everyone eating because everybody is hungry. From evening we are roaming around here and there. Yes, we did eat some snacks, but right now it's 12 almost and we are very hungry. Here we are in front of Nopara Dada Bhai Shanko. You can see the golden pot over here. That big pot like a tunnel. Wow, amazing. Can you see that? From here you can see the goddess idol, right? Wow. Just check this out. Amazing, amazing, guys. Wow. It seems like these are all metals, right? Lovely. These are all metal work they have done over here. Did you see the minute work details? Wow, I'm loving it. I'm just loving it. Just see it from this side. Beautiful. So right now you're in front of Lowland. You can see this big goddess idol and see the reflection. It's falling over this pond. It's looking beautiful, guys. Just love the reflection what is falling on the pond. It's just looking amazing. The lighting. This is another interesting part of Durga Puja Pandal in Kolkata. Wherever space they get, they come with different themes of lighting too. You can see that one, that is Mamata Banerjee, with the number of things she did for West Bengal, like Kanya Shri, Jubo Shri, Shubhuj Shathi, Lokhir Bhandar, 100 Eksho Diner Kaj, like all these things she did for West Bengal people. So that is what this one is for, what she did for Kolkata. And Duare Sarkar is another initiative by her. So here we are entering. See the big pot with the coconut on top, which we require when we are doing puja. Any Hindu household doing puja, they need this. And see the lighting across the pond. It's looking grand, right? Here is the big idol, you see.
Chalchitra theme.
Oh, okay. Chalchitra is the theme. You can see. Wow. Just check it out. Wow. Lovely. So our pandal hopping is over. No more pandal hopping. So we had so much fun. Yes, we had fun. You love.
very
See, my mother is so excited. Everybody is still excited. Now it's 1:30. Can you imagine? So we had so much fun, and now it's time to go back home. Hope you like this video. If you like it, do like, share, and subscribe.